Any questions, feel free to ask me. We are now running to stop number 2 for Amsterdam North, Adam Lookout and this is Zealand. We wish you a beautiful time in Amsterdam.
I think this is the best one.
We're going to start for time to do something.
Oh, she stops so we can really see things.
We can edit what we don't want tonight.
Bicycles.
How standing on the seat can be. Unless you stick your head out the...
Yeah. Yeah.
The green is the bus, is it? No, a boat. Oh, okay, so we can use the blue and the green, can we?
Yeah.
Oops.
It's English.
It's English. We're supposed to be, we're supposed to be listening to this.
Sorry.
It's you.
Which one? Sorry.
Told us to start listening.
If you want the volume, let me know, honey.
It's the volume.
You want it higher or lower?
Damn. God, I was going to have to listen in Dutch or whatever it was.
I can't hear it. It's going to be too low.
Put it up a bit more.
12:40.
Two men and a dog.
So that's Australian.
No, see the people? See the people?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are reaching stop number 2, Amsterdam North. And from here you can reach the Adam Lookout, which is the tower here. You can access to the roof and swing there. And you can reach This is Zealand, which is a 5D flight experience, and the Eiffel Museum. Stop number 2, Amsterdam North.
Sorry.
See him swinging up there? Is that the swing?
Sorry. Hang on, Joe.